Thyroid eye disease, or TED, T-E-D, is basically inflammation. So inflammation is scratchy, itchy, watery eyes. Sometimes people think they have allergies and it's an early presentation. Another one is eyelid retraction, where the lid will start to pull up. Also, people can get blurry vision because their eye muscles are getting affected, and when the eyes try to track with each other, they can become blurry. So it's also something we call the masquerade syndrome. There's a lot of symptoms early on. So think of common things first, but also keep in mind that systemic problems that affect the eyes, like TED, is also common in the eyes. Thyroid eye disease is caused from an immune reaction to your own thyroid gland and hormone. It's called an autoimmune condition. So it's basically causing inflammation in your eye region, which is coming from the hormones in the gland in your own body. That's why it's called autoimmune, from yourself. Please make sure to subscribe. Thyroid eye disease cannot be cured, but the good news is it can be managed, and it can be managed very well. As long as you see a specialist in thyroid eye disease, they know all the different ways to manage it and who you need on your medical team to give you your best outcome. Thyroid eye disease, if left untreated, can be extremely dangerous. What I mean by that is something that starts off as simple, like eye irritation, could lead to dryness. If that's not taken care of, you can get an ulcer in the front of your eye. If you get an ulcer, which is like a crater in the front of your eye, that can get infected and perforate, and you can literally lose your eye. You can have your eye muscles enlarge and squeeze on your optic nerve. Your optic nerve is like an extension cord that goes from your eyeball back to your brain, and that's how you see things. That's how you have vision. If you have those eye muscles squeeze so much on that nerve, it loses its blood supply, you can completely go blind. So Graves' disease needs to be taken very serious, and as long as you take it serious and you do things, you can manage it extremely well. But you've got to do your part and see the specialist.